So in this Scotiabank app tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up for a MasterCard credit card here on the Scotiabank application. So once Scotiabank's opened up, I want you to go to the home screen here, then go to where it says credit cards, and then press on add card. Now once you're on this page right here, it's going to bring you to the Discover Credit Card page where you can browse and view a bunch of different credit cards. So if you're looking for a MasterCard in specific, I don't think Scotiabank offers a ton of variety when it comes to that. Mostly it's Visas and some American Express cards. But if you just were to scroll down to where it says Browse All Cards here, I believe they're offering 18 credit cards at this moment. Now you can't filter specifically from like Amex, Visa, MasterCard, etc. So you just have to scroll down and find the different options for you. So if we just keep scrolling down here, we'll find some MasterCards here shortly. So the first one that you'll see is actually right down here, I believe, is this one. So there's the Scotiabank Momentum Mastercard credit card, so no annual fee card right here. That's one option for you guys. If you keep scrolling down, there are some more options, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. So yeah, it doesn't look like there's actually too many options right here. So the only MasterCard that you actually have to select from, unless I just skipped past one by mistake, is, as I mentioned before, the Scotia Momentum MasterCard credit card. So if you were to go ahead and select this one right here, we'll just press on apply now. Then it'll bring you to the next screen right here where you can continue the application process. So you have your Scotia Momentum MasterCard selected. You can just scroll down. You can read. You can do your due diligence. All you got to do. So if you want to proceed with the sign up, just press agree and continue to sign up for the MasterCard credit card here. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to sign up for a MasterCard here on the Scotiabank app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.